Ever wonder what the check engine light is trying to tell you?
What if we could easily show you the problem and what it takes to fix it? Just consider us a mechanic in your pocket. Identifying the problem is easy.
Connect your Innova diagnostic tool, and using features like hotkeys and our patented all-in-one display, scan your vehicle.
By pairing your tool with the all-new Repair Solutions 2 mobile app, you'll gain free access to over 60 million fix solutions, verified for accuracy by real ASE certified technicians. But it doesn't stop there. In the app, you'll find troubleshooting information and even be able to order the right parts for the job. And if you still have questions, our USA-based customer support team is always available to help you 6 days a week. At Innova, we speak your car's language, so you don't have to.